art night is fantastic because they shut down this area of High Point, and you can just walk among these 2 blocks to so many showrooms, so many different styles, so many interesting people. Everybody has something to offer in their showroom, and it's a real community bringing creativity to commerce.
It's so incredible for me as a young designer to see people who I really look up to, and I love their work, and I have a chance to really come and meet them. Last night I met Barclay Butera, he's got a new line, and I love Celery Kimball and what she's done here at Arteriors. So it's great to rub elbows with the celebrity designers and just see everyone out working really hard and making great products.
You know, I love doing tours with people that love my product because I get to talk to them about the background and what inspired me, the materials that they're made of, and the direction I'm going in design. So I love coming here and being around the energy that's going on in the home business.
High Point is where designers are coming from all across the country, but they're coming with a current agenda, which is to see what products are new to the marketplace and to learn sourcing. And when you meet up at the bar after market and you hear who's found what and what they've learned, it actually really changes your own business.
Well, one of the plus sides to running around doing 10,000 to 13,000 steps on average a day is to kick back and relax at the end, you know, have a margarita or have a glass of champagne and just really celebrate all the wonderful things that you've been able to create up until this point. But you're able to dance on the floor with vendors, meet new store owners, and everybody's just all on the same level, just having a great time.